we already have understood the various sign conventions for reflection from mirrors. Sign convention, children, we know sign, plus minus sign. Convention means basic rules for putting up sign, positive, negative sign. What are the rules for putting up those signs? We already know that our rule number 1, which says whenever you draw any ray diagram, you will always put up the object to the left hand side of the mirror. Object always on the left hand side of the mirror, whether it is a concave or convex mirror, every time. Object always on the left hand side of the mirror. Left hand side of the mirror is the object. As rule number 2, look at this purple scale. Whenever I want to measure exactly how far is my object from the mirror, object distance from the mirror, I'll measure this distance of object from the mirror, actually from the pole of the mirror. You will always measure the distance from the pole of the mirror, meaning pole is your origin. Any distance that you measure to the left hand side of the pole, that distance you will mark as negative, right? And any distance that you measure to the right hand side of the pole, that distance you will mark. For example, look at this purple scale now. Any distance that you measure to the right hand side of the mirror, any distance that you measure to the right hand side of the mirror, this distance is taken as positive. For example, if we look at this particular ray diagram, you can easily observe object distance my green scale is measuring. Suppose my green scale measures 4 centimeters, but I will express the result like this. Object distance, 10th class, symbol U. U is the object distance, is equal to minus 4 centimeters, where minus means I am putting up my object on the left hand side at a distance 4 centimeters from my mirror. Similarly, I am expressing my result, image distance. Image is getting formed at a distance 12 centimeters, suppose, plus means towards the right hand side of the mirror. Similarly, if now I want to measure the special focal length of this particular mirror, I am using my orange scale here. Check. This orange scale reads, suppose, 8 centimeters, which shows that the focal length means how far is the F point from the mirror, focus point, principal focus from the mirror. How far? Suppose it is 8 centimeters. So how will I express my result? I'll say focal length F is equal to minus 8 centimeters, right? Minus 8. And of course, your radius of curvature, children, C. Radius is the double of focal length. Remember, your F point is midway between your C and P. So radius is double of the focal length. That means it's minus 16 centimeters, right? You can easily see this pink scale in my diagram. This is what is called as a radius of curvature. Left hand side you are measuring, so it goes negative, minus 16 in my example. As example number 2, a quick review of example number 2, children. Example 2 is another concave mirror of focal length, suppose 8 centimeters. Check in my diagram this pink scale. It measures how far is my focus point. Focus point is, suppose, 8 centimeters. My scale is reading 8 centimeters. How will I express my result? I'll say small letter F. 10th class, small letter F is focal length. Focal length is minus 8 centimeters. Remember this. Put it into your mind that always for a concave mirror, focal length is always negative. Focal length F is always negative for a concave mirror. Concave, focal length negative. Then obviously radius of curvature will be double, that is minus 16 centimeters. Well, minus 16 centimeters. Now look at this example. Object distance, how will you express this purple scale? You'll say U is equal to minus 12 centimeters. Object to always negative, object distance, because object is always on the left hand side, so minus 12. Similarly, children, in the same example, if I want to measure the image distance, look at my gray scale. Here is my gray scale that measures image distance, how far my image is from the mirror. Well, this gray scale reads minus 20 centimeters. Well, minus 20, how will you express your result? V, small letter V, image distance is equal to minus 20 centimeters. That simply means that my image is formed at a distance 20 centimeters from the mirror. Towards left hand side of the mirror, the image is formed. All right. Now, the very important fact that you must keep in mind is that for a concave mirror, its focal length is always negative. However, for a convex mirror, you can see this example 3 is showing a convex mirror. You all know what a convex mirror is? Convex mirror, if you complete the circle and find out C, F, look at this circle F point, it's always on the right hand side of the mirror. Remember, convex mirror, focal length always positive, focal length. Suppose that my diagram as it shows, this maroon scale is reading image distance. Can you see this red object? Yes. This purple image? Yes. Now my orange scale. This measures the object distance. Object distance, see here. Object distance is expressed like this. U is equal to minus 10 centimeters. Always negative. Object will always be on the left hand side. Minus 10 centimeters. What about image distance? Well, in this particular case, where is the image? This purple one is actually the image. So image distance is, suppose my scale is reading, my maroon scale is reading 8 centimeters. So how will you express? You will say that the image distance is plus 8 centimeters, right? Without saying, over here, this blue scale now, look at this blue scale. What does this measure? Blue scale, it measures focal length. Remember, convex mirror, its focal length is always positive. Right hand side, focal length of a convex mirror is always positive. Keep it in mind. Focal length positive. Suppose my blue scale reads that focus point is how far? Focus point is, suppose at a distance 12 centimeters. Focus point 12 centimeter from mirror. So how will you express? You will say small letter F, focal length, plus 12 centimeters for this particular diagram, plus 12. And obviously then radius of curvature will be plus 24. Radius is double of the focal length because F point is midway between C and the mirror, midway. So radius of curvature is plus 24 centimeters, right? These were 3 rules that we have revised very carefully. We have the next sign convention in front of us, the next sign convention which says, or rule number 4, which says, now suppose I am not at all interested in my purple scale. Look at this diagram now. Now I am not interested in my purple scale. I don't want to measure object distance. Rather, I want to measure the red scale. I want to measure the height of the object, how tall my object is. If I want to measure the height of the object, that means my scale is perpendicular to the principal axis. Perpendicular to principal axis, look at the red scale, perpendicular and above the principal axis. So if suppose my red scale reads 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, then how will you express your result? You will say that HO. What is HO? HO. Look at this notation. H ke subscript mein O, niche O. O means object. Height of the object is equal to plus 4 centimeters. Plus 4 means object is placed above the principal axis, plus 4 centimeters. Remember your number line, positive y-axis. Okay. Now, similarly, the height of image measured by my blue scale. Height of image, symbol 10th class. Symbol will be, look here carefully, H, I. Subscript mein I. image I. HI is minus 8 centimeters. Minus 8 centimeters. Minus Q. Because you are measuring this height. It is below the principal axis. This height is going along the negative y-axis. You are going below. There you go, below the principal axis. So how will you measure this distance? Perpendicular to principal axis hai, below the axis hai, negative y axis hai. So if this height is मान लो 8 centimeter, तो आप लिखोगे क्या? 8 centimeter नहीं, minus 8 centimeter, where minus 8 centimeter is a complete description. Children, minus 8 centimeter tells me that the height of my image is 8 centimeter, lekin my image is an inverted image. Okay. That simply means now, focus children, we are moving ahead towards magnification. Look carefully. This data, object size 4 centimeters, image size 8 centimeters. What I simply want to say is that my image is double the size of the object. इमेज का साइज डबल हो गया है ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज से इस डेटा के हिसाब से. द साइज ऑफ द इमेज इज ट्वाइस द साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. और इस पर्टिकुलर एग्जांपल में, और सिंपली आई कैन एक्सप्रेस दैट द मैग्निफिकेशन, children listen carefully, magnification of concave mirror in the situation shown above is m. Magnification is minus 2. Minus 2. Children, minus 2, the value of m, magnification is basically telling you that 2. Magnification, you understand the English dictionary meaning of magnification? What is the literature meaning? Dictionary meaning magnification, bada, magnification. So m is 2 means image is 2 times magnified. लेकिन minus 2 means that this image is, ठीक है 2 times बड़ी है, but this image is inverted. So whenever the image is inverted, m is negative. Now in very simple words, I can easily explain what this magnification is actually. Magnification produced by a spherical mirror simply tells me how much big or how much small the image size is as compared to the object size. As compared to the object size. Are you getting? मैग्निफिकेशन सीधे सीधे आपको बता देगा कितनी बड़ी या फिर कितनी छोटी इमेज है एज कंपेयर टू द ऑब्जेक्ट साइज. सिंपल. Now this definition, I'm going to convert this into a formula. Look at this blue ink. Magnification is expressed as the ratio of height of image to height of object. Ratio निकालोगे जब, तो obviously you'll get how big the image is. Compare कैसे करते हो object की height को image की height के साथ? When you compare, how do you compare in mathematics? You compare by finding the ratio. I'm comparing how much big or how much small my image is compared to object size. Simple. तो compare करना है तो ratio ही तो निकालनी होगी. So it's done. Magnification is expressed as the ratio of the height of image to the height of the object. M is equal to height of image to height of object. Formula would be M is equal to HI upon HO. Height of image is HI, height of object is HO. Formula clearly understood. Let's look at an example quickly. Look at this particular concave mirror. Object is AB, forms an image. It's an enlarged image. बड़ी image बन रही है. Okay. Now to measure height of object, I use this scale. I measure height of image, I use this scale. Now children, look here. The red scale, this measures height of the image. Suppose I tell you my red scale reads height of image 6 centimeters. Suppose I also tell you that height of object only 2 centimeters. What I mean is that HO is plus 2 centimeters. Plus 2 means it is above the axis. HI +6 सेंटीमीटर्स. अंडरस्टैंड दिस +6. यहाँ +6 लिखने का मतलब है द इमेज इज 6 सेंटीमीटर टॉल, लेकिन वो इमेज इन्वर्टेड नहीं, इरेक्ट है. Here also you had a tall image. ये भी magnified बड़ी image थी, but this was inverted. Compare. Here also you are getting an enlarged image. बड़ी image है, but this is not inverted. This is erect. Head up, feet down. Understood? So +6. Okay. Now once I have given you in the question height of object, question में दे दिया height of object मेरा scale पढ़ के बता रहा है +2 centimeters. Height of image 6 centimeters. थोड़ी सी कॉमन सेंस अप्लाई करेंगे. अगर 2 सेंटीमीटर टॉल ऑब्जेक्ट है, 6 सेंटीमीटर टॉल इमेज है, तो इमेज कितने गुना बड़ी है? 3 गुना बड़ी इमेज है. तो 3 टाइम्स मैग्निफाइड. सीधे सीधे आंसर m इज इक्वल टू 3. लेकिन साइन क्या होगा m का? इमेज सीधी है, इरेक्ट, उल्टी नहीं. So m will be positive. That means clear है. मेरी common sense says m answer should be +3. Let's check the formula. Is the formula matching my common sense? Here it is. Magnification formula, learn it by heart. HI by HO. This is equal to +6 centimeters. यही था ना डेटा? Divided by +2 centimeters. Simple. Cancel centimeter by centimeter. Cut हो गया centimeter centimeter. 2 से 6 को cut करो. You are getting 3 plus +3. Notice m की कोई यूनिट नहीं है. m is a simple number. एक नंबर से बढ़कर कुछ नहीं है, और वो नंबर सीधे सीधे बता रहा है that the image is 3 times magnified. 3 गुना बड़ी इमेज है. प्लस साइन, दिस टेल्स यू दैट दिस इमेज इज, बड़ी तो है लेकिन इरेक्ट है, सीधी इमेज है, हेड अप फीट डाउन. whenever image is erect, m is positive. I hope we are clear with the two conclusions. If the image is erect, m is positive. Compare previous example. Image was inverted, m was negative. Look here, you can apply your formula. Image was inverted, you apply your formula. hi आपके सामने है, ho आपके सामने है, निकाल लो रेशियो. आएगी कि नहीं आएगी? नेगेटिव. m will be negative. For sure answer will be -2. Whenever image is inverted, m is negative. So this is simple and understood also. Now let's apply all this to a question, children. Get ready. Question number 1 for today. Question 1 is, suppose you have to calculate the magnification of the given mirror. In the following cases, A part of the question is a plane mirror. Children, you can see a plane mirror in the diagram. वैसे तो घर पे भी आपके plane mirror है. The simple straight plane mirror. किस तरह की इमेज नजर आती है उस प्लेन मिरर में आपकी? आज तक कभी उल्टी इमेज नजर आई है? सीधी इमेज, इरेक्ट इमेज आती है. प्लेन मिरर एट योर होम, इरेक्ट इमेज. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट द साइज ऑफ द इमेज? प्लेन मिरर में जो घर पे मिरर है, सेम साइज. वो कहते हैं ना, आईना झूठ नहीं बोलता है. व्हाटएवर इज द ऑब्जेक्ट साइज, सेम इज द इमेज साइज. चलो क्वेश्चन में लेट्स चेक. सपोज ये क्वेश्चन में दे दिया आपको दैट द गिवन, दिस इज गिवन टू यू दैट हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज +15 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज माय पर्पल ऑब्जेक्ट. इसकी हाइट दे दी +15 सेंटीमीटर्स, और ये भी बता दिया विदाउट सेइंग दैट द हाइट ऑफ इमेज इज सेम साइज +15 सेंटीमीटर्स. ये दो चीजें दे दी, HO और HI दे दिया. Can you calculate m? Please use the same formula. The same formula applies here. You can use m. What is the formula for m? M HI by HO. Same formula, children. HI by HO. Check your screen. HI by HO. Put the formula. कर दो apply. HI. What is HI? +15 centimeters. What is HO? +15 centimeters. Cut kar do centimeters and centimeters. What are you left with? +1. You are left with +1. M का answer तो आ गया +1. Let's understand this answer. M is +1. पहली बात, M is positive. M is positive means that the image is erect. सीधी image है. Head up, feet down. We know this. Okay. m is equal to 1, ये जो नंबर 1 निकल के आया है, m is 1 suggests that size of image is equal to size of object. What does it mean? Children, tell me. Previous question में m निकल के आ रहा था, how much? It was m is equal to 3. तब हमने क्या कहा था? m is 3 का मतलब है इमेज 3 गुना बड़ी है ऑब्जेक्ट के कंपैरिजन में. अगर इमेज 3 गुना बड़ी होती है तो m3, अगर इमेज 2 गुना बड़ी है, 2 टाइम्स बड़ी है, तो m आया था 2 वैल्यू, राइट? तो अगर इमेज 3 गुना बड़ी है, m आया था 3, 3 गुना बड़ी मतलब m is 3. अब अगर इमेज सेम साइज की है तो m will be 1. रिमेंबर, m is equal to 1. अगर यही m सपोज 5 आता तो what do you mean by m is 5? m की वैल्यू 5 means that image is 5 times bigger than the object. 5 गुना बड़ी होगी अगर m 5 होगा तो. अब m 1 है मतलब इमेज 1 गुना बड़ी है, 1 गुना बड़ी, मीनिंग व्हाट? Obviously size of image equals to size of object. This also we know. Question ऐसे आ जाता है, what do you mean by this statement that m is plus 1 for a plane mirror? m is plus 1 means 1 mark में question आ जाता है. m is plus 1 means plus का मतलब image erect है और 1 का मतलब image size equal to object size. Let's apply this to question number B part. Get ready? Are you ready? Moving on. Same question B part. Let's once again calculate magnification of the given mirror. This time life is not easy. It's a concave mirror. Concave mirror in the following case. Which case? Can you identify which case? Object at C. याद है? This was case 3. Remember, image formation, concave mirror, case 3, object at C. तो image कहाँ बन के आई थी? At C. याद है इसके characteristics? Object at C, image at C, same size की image बनती थी, लेकिन ये real and inverted image बनी थी. याद है? My brown rays, my reflected rays are actually meeting and forming a real image here, real and inverted image. Okay, children. Question सीधे सीधे बोल रहा है आपसे. Suppose this is a situation और इस सिचुएशन में आपको हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट गिवन है. हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट गिवन है कितना? +15 सेंटीमीटर्स. ठीक है, +15 सेंटीमीटर ऑब्जेक्ट की हाइट है. फिर ये भी बता दिया दैट द हाइट ऑफ इमेज इज, ओके, हाइट ऑफ इमेज 15 सेंटीमीटर है लेकिन इमेज इन्वर्टेड है, तो कैसे एक्सप्रेस करोगे? यूज योर साइन कन्वेंशन. -15 सेंटीमीटर. खैर ये क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट 15 सेंटीमीटर है, हाइट ऑफ इमेज भी 15 सेंटीमीटर है, लेकिन साइन का ध्यान आप खुद रखो. हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट +15, हाइट ऑफ इमेज -15. नाउ व्हाट शुड बी m? कैन यू कैलकुलेट m? सेम फॉर्मूला children we are applying. Check. Formula says hi by ho. What is hi? Height of image -15 centimeters. ho, height of object, +15 centimeters. Solve this out. Do you get -1? -1 you are getting. पिछले पार्ट में +1 आया था. Here m is negative. m is negative shows that the image is inverted image. And m की वैल्यू 1 का तो मतलब हम समझ ही चुके हैं. m is equal to 1 means the size of image is equal to the size of object. And we know this case. We are aware object at C, image at C, same size image. m is -1. Question ऐसे आ जाता है that suppose m is equal to -1 for a concave mirror. पहले तो state the characteristics of the image. अगर m is -1 है तो state the characteristics of image. आप बता सकते हो अगर m क्वेश्चन में आपको सीधे सीधे खाली खाली m की वैल्यू दे दें, 1 मार्क के क्वेश्चन में m की वैल्यू बता दें. एक कॉन्केव मिरर है, उसका m दिया है -1. व्हाट कैन यू सजेस्ट? -1 को देखते हुए m की वैल्यू क्या बता सकते हो इमेज के बारे में? मैं बता सकती हूँ m -1 है, नेगेटिव मतलब मेरी इमेज जो है वो इन्वर्टेड है. मैं बता सकती हूँ m is 1. 1 का मतलब इमेज साइज सेम एज ऑब्जेक्ट साइज. आर यू गेटिंग इट? इमेज साइज सेम एज ऑब्जेक्ट साइज. फिर वो पूछेंगे कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई वेयर इज द ऑब्जेक्ट पोजीशन? मुझे पता है अगर ये कॉन्केव मिरर का क्वेश्चन है, इमेज साइज सेम बन रही है, तो कॉन्केव मिरर में तो एक ही केस था जब सेम साइज की इमेज बनती थी, बाकी तो कभी बड़ी कभी छोटी इमेज थी, सेम साइज की एक ही केस था, दैट वाज ऑब्जेक्ट एट सी. Now we are moving on to another example to make things more clearer. Let's look at, okay, let's go a little slow so that things are easily understandable. Question number 1, C part. C part says you have to calculate magnification. Magnification is a physical quantity. Okay. Calculate magnification of the given mirror in the following case. ये given है case of a concave mirror है. Okay. Concave mirror is given. Question ये भी बता रहा है that I hope this screen is visible to you all. You can see this ray diagram perfectly clear. This question is also telling you that the height of object is plus 15 centimeters. ओके ये भी बता रहा है कि दी हाइट ऑफ इमेज इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द गेस वर्क. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज 15 है, इमेज का साइज सिर्फ 5 है, तो इमेज कितने गुना छोटी है? ऑब्वियसली द इमेज इज 1/3 द साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. द इमेज इज 1/3 the size of the object. Are you getting it now? The image is 1/3 the size of the object. यानी m का आंसर 1/3 आना चाहिए. दूसरी बात, इमेज इन्वर्टेड है. इन्वर्टेड मीनिंग m should be negative. So my answer should be m will be -1/3. Let's check. नहीं तो सीधे सीधे फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो. You have to calculate m. Formula. What is the formula for m? m is hi upon ho. Simple formula है. hi upon ho. Now formula is hi, that is -5 centimeters. Question में दिया था. ho plus 15 centimeters. Solve this out. Aren't you getting -1/3? Our guesswork is matching with the formula. Here m is negative, shows that the image is inverted, and the value of m 1/3 suggests that the image size of the image is 1/3 the size of the object. Okay, let's take one more example, then it will be perfectly clearer. Let's take another example. Example or question number 1, D part. Calculate the magnification of the given mirror in the following cases. This time question is based on convex mirror. This is given in the question. Convex mirror is given. ये भी बता दिया that you remember na convex mirror? What is a convex mirror? This is the same rear view mirror. रियर पीछे का ट्रैफिक देखने के लिए जो साइड व्यू मिरर होता है, किस तरह की इमेज नजर आती है? सीधी इमेज नजर आती है, उसमें पीछे के ट्रक की स्मॉलर इमेज, एंड इट्स ऑलवेज एन इरेक्ट इमेज. It's always an erect image. Identify purple image. It's an erect image. It's a small size image. Okay. Now the question tells you that the height of object is say plus 15 centimeters. Height of the image is plus 5 centimeters. Look carefully. I am applying sign conventions. Plus 15 centimeter. Object height plus 5 centimeters. Image height. Question is you have to calculate m. First, the guesswork. Tell me, what should be the magnification? Guesswork. Image छोटी बन रही है. Question के हिसाब से object 15 centimeter tall, image 5 centimeter tall. Image का size 1/3 है. M will be 1/3. Image size is 1/3. देखो ना, red object, purple image. Image size is, look at the values. Image size is 1/3 the object size. 1/3. M should be 1/3. लेकिन what about the image? क्या image उल्टी है या सीधी है? This is an erect image. सीधी image है. M should be plus 1/3. पिछले क्वेश्चन में था -1/3. Let's check the formula now. Answer. Let's check the formula, children. Are you ready to apply formula? Formula says m is hi upon ho. Okay, hi. What is hi? Height of image plus 5 centimeters divided by what is ho? Height of object plus 15 centimeters. Simple ratio. It will be plus 1/3. Children, plus m के आंसर में plus sign बताता है that the image is सीधी, erect. सिर ऊपर, पाँव नीचे. Look at this purple image. Okay, and the value of m is 1/3. Children, value 1/3 suggests that the size of image is 1/3. एक तिहाई छोटी, 1/3 the size of object. I repeat, m is 1/3 suggests that size of image is 1/3 the size of the object. Have we understood, children? Now correlating this, moving ahead, children, there is one very important formula. Once we have understood this, there is a very important formula that's called as the mirror formula. You have to learn this formula by heart. It's called mirror formula. Look at this formula on the screen, children. Mirror formula. It says 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Children, here V stands for image distance. Image कितना दूर है mirror से. U stands for object distance from the mirror. And F stands for focal length of the mirror. Look carefully. ये symbols को fix in your minds. Okay. This formula 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. That means V, U, F. 3 variables. Out of 3 variables, any 2 are given to you. You can find out the third one. मान लो U और V आपको बता दिए तो आप F निकाल सकते हो. यहाँ V क्या है? Image distance. U क्या है? Object distance. And F is the focal length. Children, there is one more formula for you to learn. Magnification. एक formula तो आप कर चुके हो M का formula. It was HI upon HO. एक और formula है. M ही को calculate करने के लिए there is one more formula. Formula is minus V by U. इस formula में minus sign है. Formula में ही minus sign है. फॉर्मूला में माइनस साइन है, फिर V है और फिर U है. चलो लर्न अंडरस्टैंड दिस सिंबल्स थ्रू दिस डायग्राम. केयरफुली लुक एट दिस डायग्राम. इसको अच्छे से समझ लो. व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट U का मतलब है ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस. ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस मतलब अगर ये मेरा ऑब्जेक्ट है तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट कितनी दूर है. ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस इज U. चिल्ड्रन, ग्रीन स्केल इज U. ओके, देन पर्पल स्केल, दिस इज V. इमेज डिस्टेंस, इमेज की दूरी. अगर क्वेश्चन में ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस, इमेज डिस्टेंस दिया है यानी U और V दिया है, यू विल यूज दिस फॉर्मूला माइनस V बाय U, कैलकुलेट M. M ही को निकालने का एक और फॉर्मूला, ये तो अब तक रट चुका है. इट इज HI बाय HO. HI क्या है? लुक एट रेड स्केल. दिस इज HI, height of image. This is HO, height of object. Have you understood? Now look carefully, green scale. This is object distance, U. Look carefully, purple scale, image distance, V. U, V. Then now look carefully at this formula, mirror formula. 1 by V, V yani image distance from the mirror, purple scale. 1 by U, U yani object distance from the mirror, yaad hai green scale. F, small f, focal length of the mirror. Focal length, you know what is focal length? That means this capital F point, ये कितनी दूर है mirror से, that is called focal length of the mirror, right? So that means 3 formulas as a homework to learn, children. M का एक formula, this one, this is, and this is the third formula. Learn these formulas by heart. Next class we will solve numericals. We have understood the concepts already. We will solve numericals based on these 3 formulas, right, children?